Welcome. Today I have here the Atem Mini from Blackmagicdesign. I'm going to unbox it just in case you want one of these, what you should expect to see in the box. I'll be uploading a couple of videos on this switcher, how to set it up, how to add a PC, how to add your computer and all kinds of things, and how to do live streaming with this switcher. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, remember to subscribe to this channel. Tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the videos I'll upload next. Join me. I have the Blackmagic Atem Mini here. It comes in this box with some sort of rubber around it. So I'm going to just peel that off. So I'm peeling off the rubber now. Ooh, so you can see Atem Mini, Blackmagic Atem Mini. And at this side too, you should see Blackmagic Atem Mini. Okay. So this is how the box comes. Let me see, how do I turn this? Okay, wow. So when you open this first, welcome. So there's this literature from Blackmagicdesign. A few things you should know about it. Thank you, download the instruction manual. I don't think I'm going to do that today. And installer, software installer, and then download DaVinci Resolve 12 for free. Ooh, free. I think I'll check this out later. Okay, yes. Then the first options you have is the power options. So it comes with this sort of power and then an adapter plugs for it. So wherever you are, whether in the UK or the US, you should get a copy. Okay, yeah, this is for me. This is for those of us who use the UK style sort of things. Okay, so the power and then the type of pins and adapter pins that go with it. Okay, so put that on the side. And now the device itself. Wow, so this is the Blackmagic Atem Mini. This is how the Blackmagic Atem Mini goes. So the front panel where you have the 1, 2, 3 and 4. So for all the HDMI inputs, you're supposed to have 4 HDMI inputs. So if you can see, we have here 4 HDMI inputs. So input 1, 2, 3 and 4. And here mic, so mic 1 and 2. That's how the sound is going to go into this. And then the output. So this switcher does not have any preview yet, but we are going to find out whether we can find a way of getting a preview for it, or whether there's a trick, or whether there's a hack somewhere we can do to get it. So remember to watch all our videos on this Blackmagic Atem mixer. So the output here, so if you are streaming with this switcher, you do not need any capture card to use this switcher because it has an inbuilt capture card. So all you have to do is connect the USB Type-C to the normal USB port, and it goes into your PC for live streaming. But I don't know, it doesn't come with any USB-C cable. So let me go through this again, see whether I'll find any other cable it comes with. No, so it doesn't come with any USB cable. So you have to, you have to get your own USB-C cable. Now this place is where you configure the output. In case you want to do any configuration on this Atem Mini, this is where you will do it. So connect the Ethernet cable to this port, and it goes to your PC for editing or for changing. So you connect your Ethernet port to here, it goes into your PC for changing the settings, the resolutions, and all kinds of things that you need to make changes to on this. And then here the power port. So this goes here. Oh, this time around you can fasten the power. Okay, so it goes in and fasten the power. I still wish there was an on and off switch on this Atem Mini. Even the Blackmagic, even the expensive ones still do not have it. But I think this power cable this power cord should be a bit better. Okay, so now on top of it, you should see the options. See, so there are a few options that are available. On top of it, you should see the few options that are available. So the Atem Mini and then the mic where you control the sound are here. And there are a few more options. I'll take my time to do an in-depth video of how to set this switcher up and how to get it up and running. Thank you.